Hello! En fait, j'ai pas check mon son. Ah ouais, normalement c'est bon. Ok. C'est juste, je pense que le ventilo souffle sur le micro. Sorry, it's an English stream, so I need to talk in English. How are you doing? Okay. Drink water. It's iced tea. It's iced tea. Hi, fried English stream. Hi, Karkin. Hi, Moni. Hi, Goldmax. Hello, Sasha Chaussette. Greetings, yeah. Um, so I need to change that so I could. My camera is completely messed up. Minus 100. Can I move? Can't move my fucking camera. Okay. 100. Can't even play the game. It's the minimum, so it's like 900. And one. Okay. If there is no sugar, half right. No sugar in the tea. Maybe it's a little bit dark, but it's the theme of the game jam, so look at those cards. Fucking awesome. So I need to do some kind of fog of war, but my brain is like mush. So that would be hard. That's why we have so far. But the lighting, everything like is amazing. Start part blood. And then I take that. I need to do stuff with my character. Then, oops. Get some water. Create red suit. And then I've got my customer here. Oh yeah, my camera is fucked up. I was like trying to change that, but and then boom, this is my first step. So I've got my first move, and then I need to do like a lot of polish. I need to do the fog of war because like currently now everything is like displayed, but you will have like dedicated zone where you can't go unless like you finish some stuff. Yeah, the lights are very very good. The art, look at that. Look at that. The art style is like fucking amazing. He did a fucking great job. I'm saying that they can't even drink straight water. I did drink straight water. That's why I changed. Yeah. No, it's my friend. Like he's an artist. I met him while I was at school, and I keep saying that he's fucking amazing, and he couldn't get a job in the industry, in the video game industry, because you know, AAA studio are like if you're, for example, you're an amazing artist but you don't have like the dedicated experience, you get a fucking junior salary. But that guy, just hire him because like he did that fucking thing in like 3 hours from midnight to 3 a.m. He did that. So and he set up everything. He set up the lighting. He set up the he did like all the integration on Unity. So I don't have the words. I'm gonna change that thing and put our character because the character is so beautiful that it deserves some rewards. So yeah, check out his account. he's like he's making like a D&D map. So if you want to do some D&D and you don't have any map, check out his work. It's fucking amazing. Where is my display? Where's that? I don't even know where's that. GameJam. Okay. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna put the player. Yes. Get that. Maybe I could put some alpha. I'm gonna destroy his work because like I don't want to do some contouring or stuff like that. I'll try my best. Probably worth checking out some better indie studio. They are kicking AAA artists right now. Yeah. Well, he's kind of very disappointed, and I guess like he doesn't want to give any chance, which is understandable. Understandable, but yeah. Let's try this. I did a nasty contouring, but I think it's enough. Yes, it's enough for now. Forgive me, my friend. I don't have like a nice contouring, but I think that should do for the stream. Doesn't sound like your junior. Yeah, he's not. He's not a fucking junior, but he couldn't get like any job that is actually like matches like his skills. So yeah. So yeah. So I need to do like some kind of polishing. Probably for the cauldron. That's my that's my drawing. That's not the stuff, but yeah. Okay. Blood, and then I've got a bunch of customers that are angry. And what I need to do, I've got also recipe quests. And I'm gonna check out my list first. I think I'm gonna do the fog of war. I wonder how I could do that. Or maybe I just don't clamp the camera and I'll try to work on the fog of war because like that's the most important thing. And I guess I can just put some kind of collider that will prevent raycast and then done. What do you think about that? How would you do that? How would you do that, Shiny? How does the new RAM work? For now, I don't see any difference, but I definitely see the difference with my new monitor. Is so much better. It's like smooth, perfect. It's like exactly the size I wanted, and that's great. What I wanted to do, and all my stream layout I need to rework because it was like in higher resolution. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah, let's forget about my clamp position because it's shit. And I want to have like some kind of fog of war, but I have no idea how to do it. Fog of war, Unity. I want something like lightweight. I'm just like checking if there was like some video. Oh yeah. So all the video I can find about like fog of war is like some kind of fog of war that you have like around your player, but I actually want something that is static and fixed on the player. So how to do that? Cheap way of making fog of war. 3D volume above the ground. 3D volume above the ground way when you are making a place too visible from this cube. I don't understand a shit. Could I make je vous jure sur ça. It's going well. We need to do some kind of fog of war. Yeah, by the way, it's a English stream today. Um oh. Your friend's art style reminds me Darkest Dungeon. Yes, that's totally the vibe that we wanted to communicate some kind of oppressive thing. And I don't know how to do the fog of war, so maybe I should like forget about it. I'm gonna try to see if I can make what's this called 3D volume box volume. Oh, maybe box volume will do. Push reset. What's that? I have no idea how this thing is working. Local profile box volume. Okay. Is it working with other variety? The heck? What the heck is that? I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I think it's just some kind of zone that that volume is some kind of zone that is it like changing your post process based on the zone you're in? Something like that? I just want like to put some kind of fog, but I don't know how to make that here. Add varied fog. Fog. No. Uh Maybe some kind of like texture with shader will do. I don't know. Very very much English, yeah. It's a profile for post processing. Yes. Oh. Okay, let's put it big right here. I don't see any difference. I don't see any difference. No. Let's try to put something like strong, like a very strong bloom to see if it changes. Dirt. Am I? Oh, well, my camera is like. I don't see any difference. Oh, I know what I could put. Mm, color red. Yeah, Doesn't change anything. Materials, what's lighter? No. Why do you need some kind of fog of war? So like it's because like you will have like a set of cards. So that's, for example, the tutorial, and you can put some cards, and then you won't have everything available. That will act like some kind of tutorial, and then you have your booster, and then you have blood, and then after having that, after like learning the mechanic of like buying stuff to the street seller, then you come here and then try to understand like how to make potion. And after that, you'll have like some kind of client. Feels like if I put like right here all the stuff, it's kind of hard. I could actually like spawn stuff, but I prefer like having some kind of zone that is accessible, and you just like discover, and just like the fog will go away. That will be much more better. You didn't set everything. What are you talking about? Set things here. Set the vignettes, but doesn't work. What I was thinking actually is I don't really like it, but I could just make like a 3D object, which is a plane. A very big plane. Reset. Some kind of fog. And put some kind of shader, and that will be my fucking fog of war. And then I could just put like, I've got a mesh collider. Could like remove, put a box collider, and like reset that. And then just like block all the raycasts, all the selection raycasts. Hello, Jinzu! Do you have a post-processing applied to camera? No, do I? Yes, I do, actually. Here it is. But I don't think like it's actually what I want, like the volume. I just want to have like a 3D effect of like some kind of zone that you can't access yet. And what I want is, I'll try to find like some kind of, could I ask ChatGPT to create some kind of fog of war shader? I'm very tempted. Okay, let's try to create a new scriptable shader. Because it's got that. Material. How can I make a shader? Create shader. Standard. I'm gonna make fog shader. Okay. Tools, set switcher, parts. Okay. Let's try that. Save. Okay. Fog of war. Okay, I've got that. And what I want is to use the fog of war. It's a fucking shit. ChatGPT is so useless. Maybe having a few VFX graph. I can't use the VFX graph, Shady, because it doesn't work on WebGL build. So I'm fucked. Sounds like a couple of things. This character in the button left will stay forever, or just for the game jam? It's just for the game jam. Jinzu is the character for the. It's our main character for our game jam game. So I'm gonna just gonna see if there is like any fog of war. Fog of war. Fog of war shader. Unity. There's something like free on the asset store, but it's like seems to be like some kind of fog of war. Actually, I just want to have like some kind of cloud moving. I don't care about like some kind of stuff. Oh, that's so annoying. Could you cheat it with some sprite? Yes, I think that's what I need to do. Taigol? Taigoli? I don't know how to pronounce yours. I just want like some kind. Actually, I could make some kind of VFX because I actually need to have a fog effect rather than like a fog of war. Fog effect, a static fog effect, and it could be like just like sprite like this that just move. Fog Unity. Volumetric fog using particle. I don't know if it will build on Unity. I've got two video, one of like 1 minute and the other 5 minutes. So I'm gonna show you the tutorial. We're gonna see if it works, and then I'll have like a try.
Unity. I have a simple scene setup with a main camera, direction light, and some environment pieces. The assets I'm using are free, and you can find the link in the video description if you want to use them yourself. To add fog to a scene, go to Window, Rendering, and select the Lighting tab. Side. Click on Environment, and swear to enable the fog in our scene.
Yeah, he's gonna.
You can change the color of the fog and mechanic.
He's gonna add a global
Subscribe
fog.
if you want to see more videos.
That's not what I want. Maybe that.
Hey everybody, today we're going to learn our first step, and the next step is going to be to create a material for this particle, and we can just call it fog. Then we can drag this in right here, and we can go in and add particle system, and we can go ahead and just change
let's
this.
go. Let's try to be focused and follow his steps with a particle system, and I'll put like huge sprites to cheat. Yes. So the fog, I don't need the mesh renderer and I don't need the plane. But the box slider will be useful, but I will set it up like later. And I'll put particle system. Now I have the same stuff that he got. I'm gonna put the video here next to the chat. Or could I move the chat? I'm gonna move the chat here. Watch the video here in full screen.
So if we open up the particle system component right here, we can scroll down to the bottom and we can see that it has a material. So we can go ahead and drag in the fog as the material we want to use. So now we just have to do a lot of work changing these different values to actually make it look like actual fog. Okay, let's get started with our changes. So the first thing is to change the start speed, and we can have it random between two constants. So we can have that 0 and maybe 2. After that, we can add a few more changes here. So we can do a 3D start size instead of 2.
Is already going too fast?
5, 5, and 5. So that's already starting to look a little bit more like fog, so that's pretty nice.
I can't see anything.
After that,
like
we can go ahead and go down
screen.
into emission. So if we click on this, okay, let's get started with our changes. So the first thing is to change the start speed, and we can have it random between two constants. So we can have that 0 and maybe 2. After that, we can add a few more changes here. So we can do a 3D start size instead of 2. 5, 5, and 5.
What? 3D start size and then 5, 5, 5. Okay. 5, 5, 5. Okay. Okay.
So that's already starting to look a little.
No, okay.
Little bit more like fog, so that's pretty nice. After that, we can go ahead and go
Thanks for the follow, yo, David.
down into emission. So if we click on this, we can change the rate over time and increase it even a little bit
How did
more
you
than
get
what it
like
is
he
right
already
now.
like got nice
And
particles?
So now we have a particle system, and having it in
Oh, he's got a
alpha
fucking
blended, it
fog
looks a lot more like a
sprite.
little. We want to go ahead, just have to, and we can. After that, we can add
That
a few
should
more
be fine.
changes
That
here.
should be fine.
So we
I
can
could-
do
I
a
could
3D start size
Try
instead of
to
2.
make up something.
5, 5, and 5. So that's already is to change the start speed, and
Okay,
a
speed is
3D
changed.
start size instead of 2. 5, 5, and 5.
Okay.
So that's already starting to look a little bit more like fog, so that's pretty nice. After that, we can go ahead and go down into emission.
Yes.
So
Emission.
if we click on this, we can change the rate over time
Rate
and
over time,
increase it even a little bit more than what it
40.
is right now.
It's not gonna run.
And yeah, we actually
In
also
the
want a
WebGL.
start rotation.
Hi,
and we
L'artisan.
can set it to just be a curve.
Yeah.
And we can click on the curve.
What?
We also want a start
want
rotation.
start
And we can
rotation.
set it to just be a curve. And we can click on the curve. I'll bring that up.
It's going so fast.
And we can just drag it all the way down.
Okay. Curve. He said start rotation. Curve from like this. Like this. Thanks, Dante. Good luck.
And all the way up. So this means that the curve will just basically be completely random, just starting at any rotation. Alright, so after that, we can go ahead and click on shape. Inside shape, we can change from a cone into
Okay,
a
shape.
box.
Box.
Now we have an actual box that we're using for the fog, which is more realistic considering we want a volumetric fog.
Okay.
Alright, so let's just scroll down and go to color over lifetime and enable that. Well,
He's making some kind of fog that is like this, but I actually don't want. I don't know actually what I want. Maybe something like this. Probably something like this.
what we're going to want to do is add another key in the middle and have the alpha all the way up, but then click on the end and turn the alpha down, and then also click on the other end and turn the alpha down. So this means that when we're in the middle here, we want there to be a full amount of alpha. So the fog has a little bit more variation in how transparent
I'm
it
gonna
is.
change the color to something like this.
Alright, this doesn't look bad, but we can move up the scale a little bit here.
Very dark. Oh no.
And now
very
it's starting to look a lot like an actual fog environment that you would want. So if you're trying to simulate the wind or something like that, you sort of already have really great fog for that. But if you're looking for something a little bit different, for example, you just want it to look like the fog is sort of settled over in the air, then you can add to the shape a randomized direction. So now this is going to make just very generic
probably
sort of
like I would
standstill
probably
sort
like
of
put
fog.
some sprite, something
And
like that.
all of these other changes now are completely...
What did he do? I just like look on the screen and then he fucking like he was down.
Then you can add, and now it's starting to look a lot like an actual fog environment that you would want.
10 times better than mine.
So a little bit here, and now it's starting to look a lot like an actual fog environment that you would want. So if you're trying to simulate the wind or something like that, you sort of already have really great fog for that. But if you're looking for something a little bit different, for example, you just want it to look like the fog is sort of settled over in the air, then you can add to the shape a randomized direction.
Oh yeah, randomized direction. This is the thing that I need. Shape. What is it? Shape. Randomized direction 1. Ah, yes. That's exactly what I want. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay. Ah, le bruit de fond. Is it maybe it's my no, I don't know why my microphone is like really crap today. I don't know if it's my fan because like it's very, very hot. Is it better right now? I don't know. I'm gonna try to tweak a little bit my Oh, it's the video. Okay. I could actually like not put the video because like I'm actually not listening to him. I'm not listening to him. I'm just like reading the subtitle, so I could like just mute. Randomize the direction. Yeah, and then he could like adjust like the alpha. Okay. I think I've got something decent, so I'm just gonna remove that. And I'm gonna see how it looks. Like right now, I just need to change the render of the particle. I know how to do that. Particle units, which is the base map. So I could probably make another thing, but I think that is okay. Okay-ish. Size. I think that's okay-ish, yeah. Yeah, probably look crap in game. Like we've got like amazing card, but we've got crap fog. That happens. Okay. Needs to be like really bigger, probably. Is there any like fog in like Darkest Dungeon so that I could like copy a little bit the thing? And probably things need to be billboard too. Okay, let's try it again. Scene, and I'm gonna change it. Where's my... Thanks for the resub, Dan. I've got that. Reset. Oopsie. Okay, I'm gonna put 0, 0, 0. Reset. And then fog. Okay. that should do, I think. It's pretty cool. Particle unit, and then I need to find some kind of. Should I try with like some random material and see what I got? Oh. I've got that. I've got. Oh, that's not too bad. That's my amazing cards. I think all I got is like card stuff. I think this one is not too bad. Just as a placeholder for now is okay. It's already billboard. No billboard. Horizontal billboard. Yeah. I want particle to be way bigger because I think, yeah, you could still see stuff. It needs to be like more like a fog. Some kind of fog. Yeah. I could try to draw some kind of fog, but I don't know how it looks. I lost the chat. I lost the chat. No. Where did the chat go? Chat. Yes. Got my chat again. Okay. Okay. That here. So I just like reset all my Twitch stuff. So I need to redock everything. Wait. That's better. Oopsie. Okay. So bigger stuff, and I could try to make some kind of particle, but I'm a little bit afraid of like how it will look. Particle unit simple. Could I just like duplicate that? Why can't I create? Oh, I think I could still create a particle system. So I could make placeholder create material, and I could make fog particle, and then I could use that and use that. Okay, and then I could use a particle. Particle. Okay, and then base map, I could try and make. What about if I'm making, what is that? Maybe I could use that. Particle system. Where's my freaking particle system? Okay, particle. And here. What about base map? Okay, no, that doesn't work. What about where is my UI? Here, and some kind of like stuff like this. I don't know why like the base map is like clamped. I don't know. Where is it like this? I think I'm just like losing time because it's probably I won't do like a nice job. So I'm just gonna leave stuff like here and let other people on my project to be better than me. Then I'll focus on the code. But what I could do like right now is just increase the size, shape, scale. Something like this. Where is it? Is it like start size? Where is it? Like that's the shape of the whole. Yes, it's the shape of the whole thing. And I just want to change the shape of the. Oh, is here. Size. No, that doesn't change anything. Where is the size? Flip. Shape, scale. That's the scale. Emission. Size here. Start size 10. Something like this. Yeah. It's not that bad. Stop color. Oopsie. Start size. Just want it to be darker like this. Okay. I think it looks okay. I could like just change the speed. Where is it? Start color. Where is it? Where is the speed? Velocity. Should be a start speed or start velocity. Yes. Okay. I think it's good. Oh no, okay, I'm just gonna change and put it like this. Oopsie. So that will be like zone that you can't really access. Did it change? Okay. I'm changing that. Right. Oh, it doesn't change like it doesn't scale Well, never mind. Never mind. I'll fix that later. So yeah, so what I was like doing is some kind of like fog that will be like unreachable zone, and there will be like some cards hidden behind. So when you start the game, everything that right now is like available. But for example, this card, if it's like under stuff, oh, why all the UI is like, I guess it's because of the render. Let's try to fix this. Could I change? Yes, good. Yeah. So for example, this one wouldn't be clickable, and there will be like some zone that will be hidden. My thing is not too bad. I'm kind of happy with that. So I'm gonna put like large zone of fog, and you'll have quests, and when you release the when you succeed to do the quest, then it will be revealed. And I just need to do some kind of raycast block so that you can't select anything underneath. That wouldn't be too hard, but what I was like kind of concerned is that if I do that, is it like going to change the fog? I'm not sure. Okay. The only thing is that it's not. It takes a little while before like paying, and that's a little bit annoying. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to fix that yet. So I want the particle to be like to spawn like right now. And I don't know how to fix that. Shape burst. I think it's in the emission, but it's like already over time. I know how to do that. I know how to do that in visual effect stuff, but I don't know how to do that. So that's a shame. I can't do that. I also need to do that. Oh no. If I do that, it's gonna change. Okay, so instead of doing that, I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna put that box by there.
Vivent dans la rue les jeux vidéo qui les ont intoxiqués.
Baba des Bois. That's nice. Let's go. Okay, fog.
Baba
Just
Desbois
gonna
a lancé un raid
copy.
avec 13 spectateurs.
Hi, Baba des Bois. It's an English stream, but you're welcome. As new, and then I think that's okay. I'm just gonna remove that. Okay. That's that. Okay. 10. 10. Oh, 1, 10. 10. 1. Okay. That's good. And then I could just change that. Yeah, how was your stream, Baba des Bois? We're currently making a game for the Game Jam. Oh, network is sorry. Network is a nightmare. Oh yeah, see my little nice fog of war is working well. I just need to be closer to the ground, I guess. It's kind of cool. So, okay, I'm just gonna try. So yeah. Hello Boom! Comment ça va? Have a nice break, Baba des Bois. Just to relax. Thanks, Axelis. Yeah, all the Dream Team. So I've got Blood, I've got my player. I need to change some stuff on the player because like right now it's doing that. Now I'm making potion. Got my first potion. And now I need to block stuff here because I think I could do that. I don't want to do that. That will be the fog that will not be accessible. But that's actually good because like will be zone that can't be accessible by the player. And I won't do anything about it. And now I've got my client and I could do that. So right now I've got a complete loop. So right now can't make money like this. And then I could make infinite potion. Yes. So I've got a really small gameplay loop. Oops. And what I wanted to do is when this time reach out, you're gonna get damaged. So that's the thing I need to do. We've got nice cards and stuff like that. Oh. What I need to do also, like the start box needs to get some kind of feedback. So yeah, how's the jam going? It's going pretty well. We made some kind of nice progress. We've got amazing artwork. But I'm still a little bit late. Like I didn't thought that it would take like so much time to do all that stuff. Oh shit! What happened? Stack Overflow? Stack Overflow. As you can see, there is like some kind of problem. How did I cause the Stack Overflow? Oh, I know what's the issue. How did I do that? I think he tried to drag and drop the same stuff, but I thought that I changed that. I'm gonna add a check in my to-do list. That's an important one. Check when you drag a card stack and release, do not dock to current stack. I've got a problem with my physics, and I think that's what happened. Now I'm fucked. I guess. I kinda like it. The little like fog that we improvised is gonna be very useful for the gameplay, and it could like all the visual could change later. But yeah, it will be like very useful because like for example this one will not be available at first, so that's cool. And yeah, I've got a problem with my Giant cube? I don't remember like what happened really clearly. Spawn when you drag a card stack release, do not stack. Something fishy happened, but I can't tell why. What? Because it's not happening. Is it? Okay. This is just happening again. Okay, I need to do that. I need to check that later. Okay, so I've got my fog of war, and I think I'm too lazy to implement some. Am I too lazy? I could actually. Shadowcaster. Shadowcaster. I could make Shadowcaster. Rename Shadowcaster. Okay. Could I make it? Oh, by the way, I don't know if it's like actually like to change that the fact that I changed my monitor shady, but it's so much faster now when I'm like switching like from my coding editor, or like my Unity is like 10 times faster. So yeah, it's actually changed something. I just like started an English stream because like it's the pirate software GameJam, so it makes sense that I can do some stream in English. I just made a fog of war, and I want like to have some kind of breakcast that prevent stuff. Get mask card. Should I make it a card? I could just make it. I could cheat and make it as a card and put it to yes. And I guess the main camera is always above the ground, and I need to check. And if card, I just like make a nasty hack. If the card is null, hits the Shadowcaster. I don't want to like make some two rays, but I guess I could. How could I make a layer mask that includes both? Could I hit detected? Hit the layer. Hit. No, I can't do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix that as a hack. Hit the shadows. Okay, let's try to test that. I'm glad you appreciate English stream, Karkin. Even though, like, I think you're pretty like, how do you say that? You're pretty good at like understanding French. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I think the problem is that since it's not a box cast, is it working really? It's still like let's inspect how it works. Physics rendering, general. Where is it? Analysis, physics debugger. Okay, now I've got the physics debugger. Let's try to inspect. So the red ray is my mouse. The red stuff here is, yeah. Now you can see like all the physics. And now if I select the card right here, So I could take a card, put it back in the shadow, but I can't select it back. It's gone. So I should probably prevent anything to go into the shadows, because like then I can't do anything. Oh, and okay, let's try it again. The only visual issue with the particle you have is that it then turn black. Yes. That doesn't really matter because I think it is gonna change it. I could change it later. I can't put it back. The thing that I was like surprised, could still select them. How is the shadow caster? How is the box collider? Where are the cards? Okay. So it's pretty big. Oh, I could still select, for example, this card, but when everything is inside, for example, and I could still have it. Oh yeah, because I removed this. But if I'm just like stopping the particle, how could it hide the particle system if I put it that? Yes. No, I can't select it because I'm like inside the box. Is that the physics? Yes. See, now it's like stopped. That's actually cool. Well, I could still interact with them, and I don't want it to be possible, and I need to do that later, but for now I'm too lazy. So I'm just gonna write up the bug. Change the shadowcaster. I'm gonna put the color back to what it was. Copy color. Can I paste? Paste. I can't paste it. Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, I can't select anything here. That's good. But I need to do something with like edges and stuff like that. Well, I think just need to be like bigger, but yeah. Maybe closer to the ground. Put it closer to the ground. I'll put like closer to the ground. Thanks for the follow, Sojo. And okay, that's actually cool. Water. Okay, let's hide the shadow caster. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna push shadow caster placeholder. It's a placeholder, and I'm gonna go forward with my development, but I really need to get something to drink and get a snack, I guess. I've got a list of tasks and what I need to do. Oh, first I need to write down my bug to do. Bug repro, drag and drop the iron stack. I'm gonna check that bug again, and fog of war implementation. So prevent drop into fog of war. I'm gonna do something about like the camera, I guess. Yes, I'm gonna do something about the camera, I guess, and that should be okay. And then what do I have left? Okay, now I could like play with the mortar and pestle, and then going to level 2 and then go to the string split. Okay. I also need to do some kind of polish on cards like the spawn, and I don't know how to do that. So basically when a card is spawned, it's got a position of rotation. Maybe I could like try to set a local scale equal vector 3 0, and it's just a test. I just want to, yeah, I don't know if it will work, but it's worth like trying. And then the card, I've got a manual fixed update, and I could make local scale smooth them to transform current scale to vector 1. Vector 1. That's the scale velocity, and that's the smooth time follow. I'm gonna duplicate. I'm gonna put scale velocity. Okay, and smooth time follow is like, okay, let's try to put something like, how much was it? Card data, scale, card scale, smooth time. Okay. Shit. Okay, let's try that. And ideally, I don't want to do that every scale because, like, that's bad. That's also bad. I'm just gonna write a to-do that I will never change again. But ideally, do not update if pose is close to target, or like have some kind of like time and do something like that. But I don't want to do that right now, so I'm just gonna ignore, I guess. Okay, let's have a look. Hey you, Blit, how you doing? I really need to have a break, a small break. Just gonna try. Doesn't change. Doesn't change anything. Just cards. Scale. Put the scale to. What shit? I don't know if it will work, but local scale, but transform. I'm just trying to find like some kind of like effect when a card is popping up. Well, I don't see anything. Oh, it's doing a nice little pop. It's not perfect, but let's try it again. Grab a Kit Kat, yes. I don't have any Kit Kat. Because if I had any, I'll be obese. Okay. Oh fuck! I really got like nasty bug like this. I'm so fucked. Okay. Let's not try to play with the scale then. Oh. Wait. Yeah. I'll try it later because it doesn't change anything. I'm gonna put particle instead. And if I'm doing something with a scale, it needs to be X, Y, not do anything with like the collider, because that's what is happening, I think. Small break for me. I'm gonna put silly video, and then oopsie, and then be back in like 5 minutes. Okay, perfect. I need to stop the music. Okay, go. Let's go. Oh no, that's me. Perfect. Okay, I'm back. So, thanks. I've got like huge problem with like my recast and stuff like that, but I think I'll gonna fix that out stream. So what I actually want, I've got like several level of definition. I've got level 0, where the first goal is to make a red soup. And I've got level 1, where like you kind of learn how to make the mortar and pestle. I'm gonna set up that first. So in the game manager, I could like change the deck. So I'm gonna change that. Try to. Okay. Okay. And that's my whole deck. And what I wanted to do is that is making a red soup. And what I want next is like green soup. So this one and this one wouldn't work. Oh yeah, I need to farm that, and that doesn't work. It needs to be like green powder or like herb powder. I don't know how to do that, but I'm gonna create a new card. So I'm gonna herb powder, and I'm gonna change everything. Fix that herb. I'm gonna make herb powder here, and then I'm gonna change here properties. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna rename it to herb powder, and here change that here, and then open that in paint. Open with paints, yes. And I'm gonna make some kind of drawing. I don't know how to make powder. It's gonna be lame because I don't want to lose like too much time on placeholder. So I'm gonna try my best to make powder. Or maybe I could. Well, I'm gonna do that. Don't blame me. This is how it looks. No, why isn't that like displaying? Oh yeah, because it's like only one face. No, maybe like this. Yeah, that's my herb powder. But anyway, yeah, the player character is like very very cool. I really like her. Now that I have my herb powder, I'm gonna change the name. I'm gonna change the idea. Put something random. Ingredients subtype solid. I'm gonna change like powder. Non-sprite, that's perfect. Yeah. Now that I have my green herb powder, I'm gonna use the mortar and pestle. And then I need to do some kind of system, but I'll do that later. Mortar and pestle. Green soup out of herb and water. So I want to change that. I currently have like only one possibility, but I'll change that later. So herb powder out of herb. That's perfect. Let's try it. Okay. So now I've got my little herb here. And if I'm, okay, put it like here. Yeah, herb powder. And now if I put, oh yeah, that's the thing that I didn't implement it yet. But yeah, that's my herb powder. So far, it's pretty good. Now I need like some kind of system that will allow my little thing to create multiple recipe. And I don't think I'm gonna do that right now because I need to like create a bunch of data. So I'm just gonna add it in my to-do lists. I need to create like some kind of like system. And the reason that I'm not doing right now is because I'm gonna add it to the GTD and stuff like that, and I wanted to be like more cautious about it. So I'm gonna make a different recipe for cauldron that's gonna be for soon. Different recipe for cauldron. Create a whole scriptable system, scriptable object system for that. Currently my player and character doesn't do anything, and what I wanted to do is polish. Fog of War is, I think it's done. The Fog of War is done. It just needs to be functional, so, but that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so here, Fog of War. And once I've got that, that will be cool. Could I make cards disappear? That will be so much easier than like changing the transform. I just want to check something. If I'm here. Okay, here, go. Okay, and if I'm changing, yeah. That's why I don't really like to have like some kind of polish on the card, like some kind of scaling, because it's gonna add like some kind of delay, and I don't really want to have that. So, can you cook the shady customer by putting them into the cauldron? I'm not saying, I'm not spoiling the game, Karkin, but you'll be welcome to try out. The shady customer. The shady customer or the shiny customer? Okay, so next stuff is, what is my thing? I just need some kind of effect. VFX on effect particle system. I don't know how to do that, but reset. I want some kind of woof, woof, some kind of effect for like card to pop up and stuff like that. And render shape box 10 15. Okay, and now I want it to be on the edge. It's not on the edge. Shell. Okay. Spherize. Yes. Something like this. I'm so confused. The emote in this chat looks smaller than the other chat. Oh, really? Why isn't it like in the... I don't understand. Texture. Okay, so maybe what I want is like a rectangle. Yeah, I think it's probably a rectangle what I want. 15 0 1 1 1. Okay, let's set 10 10. Rectangle. I want to stuff to only spawn on the edge of the card, and I don't know how to do that. Edge? Nope. Hemisphere. Cone. Mesh. No. Sprite. Sprite renderer. No. Rectangle. I think it should be rectangle. Ten. But you shouldn't pop in the fucking center. How do I shape module? What? No. What's that? Shape model? No, I don't care about shape model. How do I do that? Can it be edge? Can it be like an edge? I don't know. Or it could be like just a donut. Maybe a donut is fine. Because I don't want like particle to spawn into the center of the... So it's gonna be a donut with a very small radius. That's perfect. Something like this. And something quicker, I guess. So you have to do the guy-identify thing for more. Wow. Where's the guy-identify thing? I want some kind of burst. Rate over time. Just burst. 50. That's shape. Burst spread. Random. Randomized direction. Well, you could clearly see that it's like real donut. Why can't I use like something about like some kind of box, but only on... I don't want like, yeah, I don't want it to be in the inside. I can't. Shell. No. No. Still like... Where is the guy-identified stuff? I don't understand. I don't understand what the shell is. I don't... Why do you spawn like inside the card? I don't understand. Edge. Restart. No! Yeah, of course, like it's going to be on the edge, unlike the edge. If it's in 3D, it's gonna do that. I just want it to be like a rectangle, but like the rectangle put like stuff inside. I'm wondering like, why can't I use a fucking rectangle in the outside? On the outside. On the outside. Randomize position. That's not gonna work! I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna put a donut. Oh no. I'm gonna put a donut and put a smaller radius. Random arc rotation. How did I do it? Randomized position, no? Yes. No. How can I do? Well, that FX is cool anyway, I think, if we want to make some kind of stuff. But I'm not so sure. I think I'm just gonna use that as a placeholder. And I'll see how I could make it better, improve it over time, because I can't make it like good right now. I'm really surprised. Or maybe I could like make edge and make like 4 edges. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's try to be wise. Make something like consistent. Okay, so can I reset that? No? Okay. And I want a burst of like 50 and stuff to be, so I need like, I guess like 4 particles. So create empty. I'm gonna make 2 stuff, two particle, some kind of default particle. Yes, like this. Yeah. But less obvious. So I'm gonna put like 1 cycle. Is it looping? I think it's looping. Okay, let's. That's actually a cool effect. I could give you that credit. It could be cool for other cards. I'm gonna put it like wave particle system. Circle. I'm gonna see if I could use that later, but for now I'm gonna do it here. Prefabs. Okay. Create folder particle system. So I've got the circular wave and I've got the shadow caster, and I'm gonna create another one. I was talking okay. Sorry, I always get all your like message late. Okay. Let's forget about that and rename and say I want a particle system, like a pop particle system. I don't want like actually like to have like too many particle system, because as you said, like shiny ones is hard sometimes like to actually make something clear out of like too many particle system. I don't really like it. So I'm gonna put emission. I'm gonna put something like this, a really small pop, 25. It's gonna be unique, so just like this. I don't really like the fact that is like really circular, but I guess I don't have any choice for now. Do I? Yeah, I've got that, but I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. So let's ignore that. I think that's it. I should ignore that. Cone, donuts, box. What do I have? Cone. Cone is a little bit like sphere, sprite, edge, and rectangle. Okay, so let's be straightforward. Okay. Yeah, but that will be shit. Okay, I think I can't really use that. So what's the thing already? Like, if I make a parent of like a particle system, if I'm doing play, it's gonna play the children, right? So I could just like fix up the emission and like untick everything, and that will act as a parent, right? Yes, I think that's it. Okay. So I'm gonna make like several stuff. I'm gonna put shape. I'm gonna put edge, and that's the edge. Oopsie. Fix. Yeah. Okay, edge. Something like this. And I want to move it here. And I'm gonna do it like for everything. Restart. Okay, it's doing things like that. Spherized direction, no. Radius. I don't care. I just want stuff like this. Okay, that's the random. Okay. Spread burst. That's okay. So I guess random speed. I don't understand that thing. Why is it like so inconsistent? What? Random with a spread of. Okay, if it's a spread of 0. Okay, I don't really understand. And then rotation. Randomized direction, yes. Ah, that's what I want. Okay, maybe not. Okay, maybe something like that. Okay. Direction, no, I don't want that. Randomized direction. Yeah, I want to randomize the direction, but not too much, so not 0.3. I want them like to spread. Oh, randomized position. Oh no. No. Okay. No, it's not really working. Okay, let's try something like this and like put like very few particle like this. Yeah. It's gonna be like on each sides, and then I'm gonna put a very small duration, like lifetime 1, start speed 2. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that is perfect. Okay. Just a really small subtle like particle on each thing. So pop, top, bottom, bottom, and the bottom I want to put it here and like restart -90. Yeah, something like this. It's not very good, but I think it's enough for the game jam. Okay. Okay. And then what I want is to add another one that with left and right. The left shape it is gonna change like this. Yeah. And then reset. Oh dear. 0. No, it's fine. I could just change the shape position. So left will be here. Restart. And then change. Okay. Okay. And then it's not perfect, but once again, it doesn't matter. And right. Okay. Can't really visualize. Emission shape. Oh, okay. So that seems alright. Is it decent? I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it again. Okay. It is not very good, but it's not very bad. So I guess that's okay. Why can't I play my particle system? Why can't I play it here? Could I play it? My window is too small. Restart. I just need to some kind of like I don't know if I could modify all the stuff. That's could be a change. Color of a lifetime. I want it to be like alpha set to 0 and alpha set to 0 when it's going back. So bright and then okay, let's try it again. Is better. I could actually change that. Okay, that's better. that's better. And actually, I don't know if I want to do some kind of stuff. Maybe I'll just put it like just for like some kind of potion and stuff like that. And then what I want is, yeah, I want it to have like some kind of different velocity, because like right now it's kind of boring. Velocity, gravity, plane awake, delta time, start size. Where is the velocity? Speed 0. Gonna do start speed 0, velocity over lifetime. Is there any curve that I could change? Velocity, space, local. Okay. Speed modifier. Speed modifier. Curve. So should probably be 1. Let's start with a start speed of 1. And could I change that curve, please? Don't crash Unity. Please be nice. Oh, here it is. I want to have like something probably like this, like some kind of damping. Okay, let's try. Oh, that's cool. It's gonna be very quick and then disappear. It's better. It's better. And then I'm gonna let my friend like change the particle systems, just like some kind of visual. But I don't think I want that kind of effect on any card. What do you think? Probably the potion. The potion will be like good, but all the rest I don't really know. Pop particle system. I'm gonna put that here. I could try this out if you want to try. And like every time I spawn something, it's gonna pop a particle system. So where could I do that? When it's spawning, instead of making it a card, spawn. Where is it? Like spawn. Spawn. In the card there is a spawn function. I guess in the card spawner. Card spawner. Yes, that's the where I could spawn cards. Spawn new cards, and when you spawn new cards, you do that. I could do like pool manager dot instance dot spawn, and I could like spawn particle. I could do that. Transform position, transform rotation, unscroll back, and just put it as that. No. Created card, and I could put m dot data card data dot spawn particle, and I'm gonna do create some kind of thing here. Spawn particle. No, probably public, and I'm gonna put like a spawnable, something like this. Okay. And what I need is because I'm using a pooling system, I could use that to pop my particle. I just need in my pop particle system to add a particle, no, spawnable. Oh, I think my spawnables are like spawnable abstract. Yes. I'm just gonna create a script called VFX create. I'm gonna see if I need anything later. And then VFX will inherit from spawnable and then implement all the abstract class. I guess this the transform. I guess I have like all the stuff, but I'm gonna check. Sorry. A spawnable is an object that use pooling. Yes. Implement manual fixed update has a fixed update. Set the object active true. And I think I'm okay. Let's try this out. So pop particle, VFX. Okay. And then put in the game data default card and then spawnable there. Oh, why isn't it? Spawnable. Card data, VFX. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, let's go. Let's try. Is it gonna be a mess? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. It's fucking nightmare. Why? Well, I just dragged it. Where are the pop particle system? Spawn particle. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, 2 hours of stream already. I need to go soon. Why the fuck is it? Did I just break the game? Object not set to a reference. What the heck? What the fuck are you talking about? I just add a spawn particle and it's... Okay, I need to calm down. 240 frames, highlights, set highlights. Okay, what is it? What is happening? What is happening? Card highlight, true, hits, shadows, return. Okay, what is happening? Okay, let's try it again. I just asked the game manager to change and spawn a new VFX. When spawning a card, oh, right now it should spawn all the cards. Okay, I've got a problem with that. Grass. Oh, because this one is not yeah, I made a test on I didn't remove it. That's my bad. My bad. Okay. Let's try. Oh, it's not gonna spawn because it's not gonna be visible. Yes. Missing unit assignments for this this dot name. I think I didn't sign the assignment. Okay, yeah. That's my bad. And I also need to do something that I completely forgot. When I'm spawning, card spawner, where is it? Card spawner here. So I've got a callback and I'm gonna need one, so I'm gonna unspawn the fix callback and I'm gonna do it here like this. Yes. And I just need to call that function and say spawn object game actually set active true. Yes, something like that. I think I don't need anything else. And the other thing that I need to set up is the unique ID. So basically, whenever I want to create a new item, I've got a poll and the pool is like managing collection of objects, and each object that can be spawned needs to have like a dedicated unique ID, and the unique ID is created from the name. So where is it? I can't find my stuff. Select. Yes, here. Pop particle system identification generates. Let's go. Let's go. The particle system won't be good. Okay. So, maybe it's not working right now. Okay. Oopsie. It's completely not at the right place. Why? Well, at least it's like spawning properly. Why? Why? Created card. Transform position, transform rotation. Transform. Okay. Transform the rotation. Callback. Spawn. Spawn into this position. Okay, let's try it again. Maybe it was just the rotation. Hope it will work right now. Okay. Finger cross. Yes. Well. Yeah, it's working. It's not working at the right place. But at least it's doing something. Oh yeah, that makes sense, yeah. Cause like it's just like, yeah, magical fingers. Yeah. I think that's buggy. That's buggy. Is that working? I think the door is working too. Yeah, the door is working too. Okay. So it's doing something at least. I think it's not too bad because I didn't want like all the cards here to do 1000 like particle. So I guess it's okay. And yeah, I need to focus on like different system. So yeah, thanks for the cheering up, Woom. I think I done with like the particle system that I wanted to try. And then we just like need to increase like that speed, and I actually like I've got tons of stuff to finish. But for now, I think it's okay. Oh, I've got a fucking bug. Why is it doing that? Just leave him alone. Why are you doing that? I think it's because I can only have like 4 customers, and it's like really using. Hope so. Hopefully. Client. Yes, it's always spawning 4 clients, and I don't know why. Okay. Woomsome. It was so wholesome. Think we are ready to go for some red. Who's online? I'm gonna be online tomorrow. French stream, as usual, tomorrow afternoon. And I'm gonna have some fun with the French crew. Okay. Let's see if we have anyone like streaming the Pirate Jam. Pirate Jam. I've got 3-person Pirate Jam. Okay. Oh, that looks insane. Let's have a look of that guy who's making. Yeah. Let's go. There are actually like, a lot of people on his stream, but his game is like his or her game looks actually cool. Okay, see you tomorrow if you're here. I hope I'll have like some kind of nice progress I could like showcase. And I'll see you tomorrow if you're here. En français, bien sûr. Thanks, Karkin. Thanks, Jinzu. See you later. Hi, Dukur. Sorry. The stream is finished, but I'll see you tomorrow if you're here tomorrow.